friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to make an origami helicopter. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. To make an origami helicopter, we require two color shades. In any color you can take it as you wish, and also we require the cup. So first we will start from our middle part of this helicopter. So we will start from this A4 size white shade, and we will estimate the size 1:3 or 1:4 ratio this shade by this ruler. Now we have to take the pair of scissors and we have to cut 1:3 or 1:4 ratio this shade. So just cut it straight into a quarter from bottom to top. So now you have to take as a rectangular in front of you. The next step, you have to take the bottom side and align into the horizontal shape. So we are going to fold that up 1 to 1.5 centimeter and crease it in. Flip over and repeat the same thing. Fold that up 1.5 centimeter and crease it in. Now you have to draw the small lines on all these creases which you created. Take your pairs of scissors and cut it small. Now you have to fold this side 1.5 centimeter from where you cut it. Fold also these tips. Now you have to take the second shade and you have to use this cup and draw the circle. Now you have to take your pairs of scissors and cut it into the circle shape. Again take the cup and draw the circle and cut it into the circle shape. Now take the middle part of the helicopter again and paste the glue on right hand side fold so that we are able to stick the round shape sides with this middle part of helicopter. rotate it and do the exactly same thing which we did for the other side. Paste the glue and stick with this round shape circles. This is how we can make an origami helicopter. I hope you enjoyed this folding of origami helicopter. For more fun crafty videos, be sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye.